How'd you like that? How'd you like that lightning strike?
Oh, that was awesome. Are we gonna turn left?
Well.
Huh?
You're talking about up here at the four-way stop?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think?
We need to stay in front of it, so we need to head east because it's heading right towards us right now.
Okay.
I'd highly recommend taking this to head up to Tuttle.
Okay.
Because it's like less than a mile away from us until we get back into that core.
Yeah. That's fine with me.
Dude, that was kind of intense for a second.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I was like, I actually had to put all my focus in to see something.
Yep. Nope. I totally agree. So it doesn't help when people drive with their bright lights on.
Huh?
A couple of those cars were driving with their bright lights on.
Oh yeah, dude. No, I understand. I was like, dude, I cannot see right now.
So yeah, we'll turn left here and go east. And if we can find a place to pull over once we get out of the rain for just a little bit, I'd like to try to get out and get some lightning pictures.
Yeah, we're in the inflow notch right now, so...
Yeah, I know. Should be nice and unrainy.
Oh, yeah. It looks like this storm's the strongest one we got around here.
Yeah.
And it's nice and in front of everything. So...
Yeah, exactly.
It should be good.
Yeah. So hopefully we won't get no rain.
Cool. Dude, lightning's gone crazy right now, bro.
I know. So let's get about 4 or 5 miles out to the east of it. As long as we don't get no heavy rain, and then we'll be all right.
All right. That sounds good to me, dude. I'm tired of heavy rain right now.
I hear you.
It was a bit chaotic, but we made it through.
Yeah.
And we were in the front of this up-and-coming supercell.
Yep, absolutely. So, how you doing on gas? I got a half a tank.
I got half a tank as well, so we should be good.
Okay, all right, cool.
I'm not chasing at any past OKC anyway.
Nope, me neither.
So the OKC is coming up pretty quickly here.
Yeah, if we let it go over, and it's still throwing out those lightning bolts, we can sit once it passes over us and get some really cool shots from the backside of the storm.
Oh yeah, as long as it doesn't get too much lightning, I'm completely fine with. I mean, hail. I'm completely fine with doing that.
No, I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that bad. It's telling me to slow down.
Told me the same thing. We'll find a place up here pretty quick.
Oh yeah, that sounds like a good idea to me. It's a nice area actually.
Yeah. This road construction isn't that nice.
Oh, it's severe. It's severe. The storm is severe.
Nice. It's got a 1-inch hail core on it. We got out of that hail core just in the nick of time.
Oh yeah. And the severe box hasn't popped up.
It says that there's a road right here that we can turn on, so I don't know if that's true or not. Right here.
Right here? Is it good?
Yeah, looks like it is. Wow! Wow, look at that!
Oh my goodness.
Dude, it blew something up.
Yeah, it blew something up. The lightning. It probably blew up like
transformer or something.
Yeah, transformer. I don't know about this road, dude.
It's all right.
Not much visibility. That's what I'm saying.
Well, we got to get up here a little bit more.
think I'm gonna stay in my car once we pull up here.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, this road ain't looking too good. There's too much high pressure.
Right here. Hold on a second. Don't run
Right
into
here?
me.
Right where?
You pull on the right or the left side. I'm gonna pull on the right side.
Left side, right side?
Yes. I'm gonna have
I don't
to.
think I did.
I'm gonna have to switch my lenses out, but
Here, let me see if there's a little road down a little
hey,
way, because I can't.
there's one right here on the left side, right behind me.
Oh, okay. Whoa! Woo! There's a little spot over here I'm gonna park over. Oh, dude, this thing is getting some structure on it. Yeah, the clouds are getting really low over here, bro.
Yeah, like exactly, like right in front of us. See that? Right here.
Hey, Philip, do you hear me?
Yeah, I got you.
There's a tail cloud coming into this now. I think it's going super cellular. Roll up my window.
Trying to find what below us. I think over there is probably where it's lower. You see all that? Basically, what the house is right below.
Oh, that's
The door looks like you can break in. Hey! Yeah, over there is really low.
Oh my goodness. Insane. Yeah, there's not room for me over here. You're white.